off and send the person on, the person coming off has to be off the pitch.
We're ready.
The other person can go on. So if I call you off, you're... All right, I need you to move quick because the other person cannot go on until you're off the pitch. Okay? Others on the fly. If I call you off, that means you've got to get across that line because folks cannot go back on.
1, 2, 3, Spartan!
Ready. Lead it up.
1, 2, 3, believe!
Let's go.
Hey, Leo, I'm gonna be warmed up. Lock in. Get your feet ready.
Come on, get moving.
Don't think about it.
Their kick, cover person.
Cover Mark! Mark! What you want to do at the frozen? Do this. In third, I forgot to kick it.
Come on, now watch it.
Look for an open man.
Pass!
Open.
Tristan, you gotta pull it wide. Tristan, wait. Ronnie is not playing. Cross that off the field.
Elijah, get space, get space, get space, get space.
Just go, Tristan. Stay on the box.
Let's go, Elijah!
Come on, up the field. Up the field. Straight, up the field.
Coach.
Now,
Are we all going to take turns? Goal kicks.
watch your spacing.
Yep.
There you go.
Uh-oh, we let it go, we let it go. Get him, gotta beat him, gotta beat him.
Pull wide.
Let her ride.
Get it up the pitch.
There you
Yep,
go.
we'll take that. Robert, take the goal kick.
Tristan, you've got
Guys,
to check
go down
over
the pitch.
you.
You know he can
Hey,
kick that far. Why would he be up
pull
there?
it wide. Don't just get in one narrow corridor.
Okay. You can place it anywhere you want.
What the heck? Bro, why are you kicking it to the goal?
Because he can,
Right.
and if we'd had a person in place, that would have been an easy shot, right? That was exactly where he needed to place it. We didn't go down there. I told him we could make that much pitch.
Corner over here, but he's seen that.
Yep. Now you know.
Read the field.
Watch this, now you know.
Read the field. Drive it up.
Score! Finish it!
Get it away from the goal.
Yes, Coop!
Yep.
Yeah, Cooper!
One down, one down.
Away from the goal. Hey, call
We're gonna
it.
get
You
you
and
two in
Trey
here.
are trying to be polite. Call it if it's yours.
Put you in here in just a second, but we got one goal up. That's okay. We're only 2 minutes into play. That was a good first 2 minutes.
Come on. There you go, Aaron.
Nice shielding.
Another goal.
Better,
Oh,
Tristan.
we left it open.
Aaron, there is no
Yep, beat
offside.
down, beat down.
Get that.
That's
There
it.
you go. Much better.
Yep.
Good.
That's what happens when
Let
they
it
get in front
ride.
of you. If they get in front of you, you got to chase them down. Let's go, get it back.
Hey guys, lock in.
There's no walking. Let's go.
One, you got it. We got it.
Yep, that's out. They get a goal kick.
Take advantage of that. It takes like, you want to do it.
Make the run, Tristan. Make the run. There you go. Come on, counter.
Yes.
Get the ball.
Get the
There you
ball.
go. Ah, good
Goal kick,
try.
you know what to do.
Let it ride.
Yep.
I'm sorry to use y'all not practice. I was sick.
Yes.
Yeah. I had to go help him out. I had to use Tuesday. Oh, Elijah!
Oh!
Try.
Elijah just over.
See, right there. I would have booed it.
I thought that was going to go in.
I thought it was too.
Hold down the wing.
Yep, that's a goal.
2-1. Wait, Dad. Just say it's in the box. It's in our box. Can we get it out?
Yep, hang on. We're getting ready. We're getting ready to sub. Hang on just a second.
I know. Hey. So when you get out there, what do you see?
2-1. Get it back.
Come on, Tristan.
Is it in? Yeah!
Yeah, 2-2.
Good boy.
Elijah Robert. Come on, hurry. Can't go. 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 There we go. You ready? It's 2-2. Let's go. 0-0 game.
Come on. Send it.
Come on.
Yes,
Here you go. Here you go. 3-2. Keep it up. Same energy. Where's that light?
Hey.
Don't give up.
Spartans. 2 attackers, 1 defender. You've got to move the minute he touches the ball. Thank you. Go, Tristan. Keep that out.
Hey, go. Pressure.
Support.
Hey, yo, give support.
Come on.
There you go, Rajante. That's you, buddy. That's 3. Good move. That's the way to put the ball in space. That's the way you do it. No, you cannot go in. You can go. You can cross it, but you can't touch the ball when it's
Right up the line, but not inside, all right?
not inside. Let it go. Kellen, take the goal kick. Rajante Cooper, go down.
I'm from there.
Kellen, you're supposed to put it on the line, son. There you go. That's the goal. Put the ball on the end line.
Tristan.
Let your team get set to kick it. What was that? You kicked it from way over there. Get on the line. You gave away a goal.
No,
You're supposed to place it on the end line as a goal kick. Go. Pay attention.
Cooper gets you forever.
Oh, okay, that's yours. Hey.
We'll correct it. Don't worry about it. But you gave away that goal.
You told me we could place it anywhere.
On the end line.
Near the line, you said.
No,
near.
on the line.
He told me first.
On the line. And it's a goal kick. You take your time and make a good one. You don't send it right up the middle to your goal. That's all right. Be ready.
Thank you.
Run together.
Go together. No more, Jose. Let's go. There you go.
Yes, that's good.
There you go. Come on.
Kellen, there's a wide open person. Who's that?
Good. Dimitri, you can go up to make time and space. Just be ready to drop back.
Go up the pitch. Go up the pitch.
There's no offside.
Yep, that's a goal. No offsides.
There you go.
That's what happens when we leave it open.
Let's go, Unc. That's crazy.
Get ready to make a sub. It was that. It was a goal kick. Don't count.
I was still in my
No
bonus
count. It was a
because
goal
they
kick. It
were
was on top of the goal.
Hey, it's no offside.
No offsides. Be covering that goal.
Over behind you.
No, Kellen, get him!
Come on. Okay.
That's a kick in. Calvin, place it on the line. No. It's a kick in from the sideline. It's a kick in from there. It can go down the pitch.
Because, hey, get your arms real
Drop it.
After you kick it, you can't touch it.
Oh, there.
Oh, let's go!
Come on, Trey.
Go back down.
Come on, let's go! Good boy!
Good job.
right. Good read.
Make sure you stay out of that box.
It wouldn't count. It wouldn't count because he was back out. Come on, you do? Pressure. Yeah. You can't shoot.
Nice. Come on, Trey.
Kellen, come on, Elijah, go in.
He touched the ball.
Come on.
Hey,
Yeah, I know. Come on, swap.
you cannot. Trey,
All right,
Trey.
stop.
That
You got
white
beat
box
twice.
can't be anywhere near
All
it.
right, I'm going to swap you back in
It's
a
all
minute.
right.
Get your head together.
That's not because he won't touch the box. What's the ball?
That's why it's a goal kick. Well, it's a goal kick. That's right. It wasn't a
Yeah,
goal,
touch
it
the
was a goal
box.
kick.
Come on. Good, Dimitri.
That's the second time.
Trey, counter. Don't just let Aaron counter.
Oh, Elijah, that should have been a goal.
That's real.
What's the score?
I think 2-2.
No.
No, 2.
2-4. 2-4, y'all.
I think 2-2.
Yeah, I think it's 2-4. They have 4, we have 2.
No, we have 4. We have 4.
Yeah, you guys have 4.
Oh, we have 4. Oh, okay.
Wait, Mom, what's the score?
The score is 5-3.
5-3.
I could have
5-3.
missed some now. 4-4. Never mind. Good.
What's that?
4-4.
4-4?
Yeah, I hit the button on that one.
Yeah, I haven't been keeping track. I was just like, where are we at?
Yeah, Apple Watch is the best app
Elijah,
I've ever
up it.
found.
Yeah.
Counter.
Trey.
Good. Good. Pull wide, Dimitri. Stay out of that box.
Corner kick, stay out of the box.
I need to put Tristan back on.
Can't be in the box.
Jonathan, pressure that.
Yeah, Aaron. Oh. Ooh. My lordy.
Come on, counter. You know he's good with that thread.
Elijah, that's you.
Yeah.
Corner.
Mom. Half time. Half time.
Robert, starting the next half. You, Kellen, Rajante are starting. Okay? You, Kellen.
Good.
I need
Good.
you wide open on your game, buddy. Speed it up to get the beat. All right, you guys, tie game, right? We're right where we need to be. 4-4. We did not score that last time. It is 4-4.
You want to be out here?
It is a straight up tie game.
Hey, you doing fine? You guys are great.
No, we think about
Especially like where you all are swapping.
It just don't count if they touch it. That's fine. It don't count. Right? Elijah, I thought you had a goal twice, buddy.
You gotta watch that one.
You've been right there. You got to do some one step.
So start with your high, right?
Okay.
So right now,
But that's
you're
why
just
his
playing
goal
at like
is
this tiny part of the field.
But you're
Try and
I
pull them
need
out
you.
wider,
What I need you to do.
right? Or when you're going to get open, go for that pass in a wider
But
option.
you weren't even near the pitch. You kicked the ball from way off there, and they counted it because you can. And when you kicked it like that, it was directly to a player who had nobody in front of them, and they started to hop. Right? A goal kick. And I know we hadn't had time to practice. We got this practice. A goal kick on either side, on the inline. Take your time. Serve it all the way downfield. Your goal kick was beautiful, all the way down.
I feel like I was
If you're in, yes, because your goal kick was perfect. Everybody else needs to go down to the goal to make the goal. Because that was the goal kick we needed.
Yo, give me black hat.
All right, so we swap sides in the second half.
What?
You guys know where we're starting? Yep. I need you. No, you're not in trouble. Okay, nobody's in trouble. That's all right. Stack it up.
Coach, who's going?
Same starting lineup. Tristan, you got to do what we talked about, okay?
Pick up the pace. Come on, guys. Need you moving faster.
She's gonna hold me that baby.
Good. Aaron, I want to see aggressive Aaron out on that field. Drive it up.
There you go. There you go.
Come on.
You should have pedaled it. You had time.
One dial shave back while two die press. That's die answer.
Here, you know they're going to run for it. I knew that was
Come
coming.
on. There you go. Tristan, you're two. Look at that player over there. Look at the passing lanes and
Get in
shut
space.
them
Get
down.
in space. You know how it works.
There you go. Check your shoulder.
That's out.
Ah! Not in the box.
Not in the box. Calvin can't be in the box.
Tristan,
And
you
it was a-
cannot be in that box either.
It
It's
was
a
out of bounds
PK
over
for
here.
you.
Good job. Good job. That's the way to play.
That was some kind of.
Wait, what's the score now?
I don't know. No, it's 5-4. Tristan, shut them down in those passing lanes.
Uh-oh.
Give me that.
Road ball.
That being special.
That's you.
You should not.
Go.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Shut it
Come
down.
on, buddy. Oh, you're one step too close, man.
Stay back. They start.
Yep. That's his biggest enemy. You know he's going for space. You know where he's going. Robert, why didn't you attack that?
Tristan, hang back. Right there.
Yes, Robert.
Check your shoulder. No. There you go. Come on, get off your foot.
Ref, that's interference. Oh yeah.
Get down there.
Come on, turn it.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
There you go, Rajante.
Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome. Wait,
I knew you was going to do it.
Tristan, take a deep breath. Hey, take a deep breath. You're playing as a defensive midfielder. You've got to be ready to counter and get it off your foot.
Get on. Jack. Oh my lord. Yes.
Yep, there you go,
Counter,
Rajante. All
come on,
you. Take your
counter.
time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Rajante's cookies. I'll let you score two.
Aaron, help him. Help him defend.
Oh, get in front, get in front.
Come on, Trey.
Yes.
Get in front.
Go.
No offsides. You know where to go.
Good, better. Check your shoulder.
Okay. Rajante. Elijah, go. Elijah, go. There you go.
Let's go, Hector.
Got to be quick on this time. I know. You're hitting it. You're hitting it.
Tristan.
Even it up a little bit. You two guys are killing it, so I had to even it up a little bit.
Are you allowed to score on a kick on
No, you cannot direct
Hold
it.
on, what was that text? Hold on.
Cover your man. Cover your man. Cover your man. Elijah. Get him, Rod. Get him. Go. Oh, buddy. Right down on line. Cover this person. Cover this person.
You're doing fine. You're getting in your own head.
Take it away. You know he's running the goal.
There you go. That's your guy.
There it is.
Yeah, go!
Elijah should have been in space. You were next to him. What's the rule about being in space? When you get next to him, there's nobody to pass to. Find your space and you'll get your goal. Get in front of it. You made it back. Kellen, why is he wide open in front of the goal?
With the ball. Pass with purpose. Come on, Aaron. There you go. Come on, Trey. Pass with
Robert, cover him.
purpose. You got it.
Come on, man. Lock in, big dog.
Hey, Dimitri, Aaron, someone's got to go with them because they're overloading him on numbers.
Yep, that's not right there. Cooper, get ready going for Robert. Robert, off. Cooper, go. Yep. Wait. There you go.
Good job, Rajante Robert.
There you go.
Go get it.
Goes out.
I saw the vision.
All right, good call.
Kellen, go to the goal.
Oh, Lee!
Can't score from a goal kick. Has to be touched.
Coach, can you tell Kevin Mooney one more? He keeps jogging
That's what I'm trying to get him up to, all right? Because they ain't quite kicked in yet. We're getting there. Everybody gets a chance to
Keep
play.
your
but we're
shape.
okay.
Man on.
Kellen, run. Got to run for it, buddy. You're staying in space well. Make sure you don't leave an open person.
Coach, we're winning, right?
Yeah.
7-4.
Trey,
I think it's 6-4.
juke him.
No, it's 7-4 because I scored one. He scored two.
Start moving
Oh,
around.
okay.
Juke him. There you go.
Get that
Come
run!
on.
Yes, Elijah!
Good.
Come on, back!
Turn it. Good job.
That's it!
Come on, stay with it.
Come on.
Kellen, get on him. Why was he open?
Hey,
Take the goal kick. Do not leave an open man. You got to hustle.
Hey.
If you're by yourself, that means somebody's wide open. Have a person with you.
Much better read.
Steven, behind you.
Kellen, if you're by yourself, somebody's open.
Go back up! Go back up!
Way to try to play them both, Elijah. You got him right next to you.
Dimitri, listen. Trey's not running full speed because the field's smaller, right? You're leading him just a tiny bit
Kellen,
too
if
much.
you are by yourself, somebody's open.
Come on, press. Don't wait. Press. Thank you. It's got to be fast. Don't wait. You've got to want it. Oh. Yeah, you want sub? Yeah. All right. Go ahead. Aaron, take that. Come on. Go. Take Aaron's spot.
Quick. No, you push up.
Come on, Dimitri. You got it. Box to box. Tristan, read the field. Shut that one down. Tristan, don't give him a run. There it is.
You can't direct kick. No goal. Can't direct kick from a kick in. It touched
He
nobody.
touched it.
Huh?
He touched it.
Oh, did he
right there.
touch
Yeah, Aaron touched it. You touched it. Tell the ref that you touched the ball.
He definitely touched the ball.
Yeah. Hey, accept the call and keep going. Come on.
Down!
Just do it again. Tristan, shut him down.
Elijah! Gotta go.
There you go.
Go kick. How much time we got left, bro?
Come on, 1 minute.
Kellen.
Score again.
Rajante. Kellen. Kellen. Rajante, go in.
Hurry.
Hurry, go.
Can you reach on the shoe?
Yes.
Get it right. Yes.
1 minute.
Good.
Go, Johnson!
Come on, Hunk.
See, Dad, Dimitri, I know what his weakness is, right? I know what his weakness is. So literally, when you're playing defense, all you gotta do is make him kick it out.
Let's go,
I'll
Hunk.
tell you. Are we tired?
Come on, one more.
Let's see what happens. Come on, guys. Don't give it up in the last minute.
You just stand right in
Come
front
on,
of him.
press.
Just
One
stop
more.
him. He kicks it out.
Come on, Aaron. Tristan.
Half of the time.
There you go. Shut him down.
Good effort, Coop.
Come on, quick.
Quick, you're never going. Don't give up a goal now.
Just where he jumped in front of him.
Don't give it up now.
He goes in my
Yeah. Send it up.
defense. He just jumps right in front of him and kicks it out half the time.
Send it.
Oh.
So that's why I see me jump in
Also
front of him. He's usually going to kick it out.
Come on, quick.
Here you go, Elijah.
You gotta be better on that turn. Good, Tristan. Send it.
Tristan!
Yes.
There you go, Rajante. Your ball. Up, you out.
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 Come on, give it to Ariel. Let's go.
There you go. Let him up.
Come on,
Let
line
him
up.
Game, game, game.
Come on, hurry up.
We're 1 by 1, I think.
Hold on, sorry, we're good.
Good game, guys. Good, great.
Talon, good job.
What was the final?
I wonder who's going to be.
I don't know.
6